On this week's episode of Dine It Frugal, we're making a delicious and really easy red lentil dal. Let's go! So to get started, in some olive oil, we are going to go ahead and saute our onion over medium-low heat until it's soft and translucent. And then we're going to add garlic and ginger and saute those until they're fragrant. This is a really super easy recipe. It's really delicious. It's great for a cold winter's night when you just want something warm and satiating. And it's also, of course, really cheap to make. So once that garlic and ginger is fragrant, we're going to add our curry powder, salt, and cumin. You can also go ahead and add some extra chili powder if you like it spicy. I like it on the mild side, so I just go with the curry powder. Once the spices have become nice and fragrant, we're going to go ahead and add our diced tomato, and then we're going to mix it and allow it to thicken for about 30 seconds. Once that's nice and thickened, we're going to go ahead and add our stock. Now it's up to you. I used vegetable stock this time. You can use chicken or beef depending on what you have on hand. I just had vegetable, so I went with that. And once we've added our stock, we're going to go ahead and add our coconut milk, and that's going to give it this really beautiful creaminess that makes it really rich and nice to eat. The last ingredient we're going to add is our lentils, so we're just going to pour in our lentils and then we're going to cook them for about 15-20 minutes until those lentils are really soft and cooked through. They're going to kind of disintegrate and you're going to end up with this really beautiful thickened lentil dal curry. All you need to do then is go ahead and serve it. On this night I served it with some steamed basmati rice. I really love this recipe. We make it quite often. I hope you like it. I hope you make it. Ingredients are listed in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye.